Acid rain, an environmental factor affecting the germination of seeds.
Welcome to Miss Mons TV. Today we're going to do an experiment about the effect of acid rain to the germination of seeds. The materials we're going to use are seeds. We need 4 petri dish and filter paper that will fit in the petri dish like this. We also need some disposable pipette, Scotch tape. We need 0.1 molar hydrochloric acid, 0.5 molar hydrochloric acid, 1 molar hydrochloric acid. We also need some marker, some pin to separate the seeds, and some stickers. So for the sticker, we need one for the control, for the 1 molar, for the 0.5 molar hydrochloric acid, and for the 0.1 molar hydrochloric acid. Let's begin.
A piece of filter paper is placed in a petri dish. Soak the filter paper with distilled water and put 15 seeds on it. Cover the petri dish, and if you noticed, there is a gap at the bottom to allow the air to pass through. We will label this as C for controlled. For the next petri dish, we will put 0.1 molar HCl. And put the same number of seeds. So we will put 15 seeds. Cover it and label it 0.1 molar. We will repeat the process for 0.5 molar and for the 1 molar hydrochloric acid. So these 4 petri dishes are put in a window with enough sunlight. We will leave it for 5 days, watering it periodically. The amount of sunlight, humidity, temperature, and air will be the same for all the samples. Watering them regularly will prevent it from dehydration. For this experiment, we will need the following data: the number of germinated seeds, the length of the seedlings, the appearance of the seed and the seedlings, and the percentage of germinated seeds. We will get it for the control, for the 0.1 molar HCl, 0.5 molar HCl, and for the 1 molar HCl. To get the percentage germination of seeds, the number of germinated seeds divided by the total number of seeds multiplied by 100. So after 5 days, this is the result. Let's check each one. This is for the controlled. As you can see, there are the seed coats and the germinated seedlings. So there are 15 seeds germinated. The average length of the seedlings is over 15 millimeters. The seedlings are long and the seed coat is dark brown. It has 100% germination. So for the 0.1 molar HCl, we can see that there is a small shoot that is germinated. So that is 11 seeds germinated. And we can see that there is an average length only of 1 millimeter to 5 millimeter. The seedlings are stunted. They didn't grow much. The seed coat is pale yellow and 73% germination. Next is the 0.5 molar HCl. So we barely see which one is germinated. Only 3 seeds are germinated. The average length of the seedling is less than 1 millimeter. The seedlings are very stunted. The seed coat is pale yellow. It has 20% germination. This is the 1 molar HCl. We can see no seed germinated, no seedlings, no germination, and the seed coat is yellow. So these are the data we gathered. So for the controlled, we can see that it is 15 seeds germinated, 100%. For 0.1 molar, it becomes 73%. For 0.5 molar, 20%. And for the 1 molar HCl, nothing is germinated. And if we graph it, we can see that the higher the concentration of the hydrochloric acid, there is a lower chance of germination. So it means that the acid in the rain will affect the germination of seeds. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment, and share.